Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Yeni Septiani from Group 7, and it is my partner Mutia Safa and Kalisa. Before we start the presentation, let me give some background about our topic. So our topic is about clean energy, which is in Indonesia many pollution because of plant waste. That's why we have to ask clean energy as the replacement electricity as the alternative to reduce the pollution. Okay, I give it the moderator next.
Well, thank you, Miss Lee. So, Safa, this is your time to explain the material about clean energy. So, ladies and gentlemen, throughout the attention to the clean energy.
Okay, first, let me introduce background about this topic. And the background about this topic, the issue of climate change, which is characterized by increasing global temperatures and its related impacts require a significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. One strategy to achieve this goal is to achieve net zero emissions and reduce dependence on fossil fuels. This requires change in energy generation and consumption patterns. A widely recognized and practical solution for reducing GHG emissions and reducing dependence on fossil fuels is electrification of all energy consuming sectors. Next. So the problem of this topic, increasing the use of biodiesel from B10 to B30 as an alternative for the government to deal with waste generation and for waste processing, which causes greenhouse gas effect. Next. So we take an example. The population growth rate each year will influence the volume of waste generation, which continues to increase every year. According to statistical data from the Indonesian Central of Statistics, the amount of national waste generation in 2025 is estimated to reach 71.2 million tons per year. And of course, if serious efforts are not made to handle it, it is estimated that in 2040, the amount of waste generated will be more than double what it is now. Central Statistics Agency 2018 for waste management and management can cause greenhouse gas effect, which is getting attention in the world. According to World Bank estimate, greenhouse gas emission resulting from the arrival of waste reached 1.6 billion tons of carbon dioxide emissions, which cause greenhouse gas effect in 2016 of 5% of global emissions and are predicted to continue to increase by 2.6 billion tons of carbon dioxide emission by 2040 BPS 2018. Next. This is the example of land waste. So, impact. Some of the impacts that arise due to greenhouse effects are first, change in the earth temperature are increasing, causing climate change in various regions in the world. And the second, thinning of the ozone layer in the atmosphere, which protects the earth from the degrees of ultraviolet radiation. And the third, massive crop failure due to drastic climate change. For the melting of glaciers, ice chunks, causing seawater levels to rise. And the last is disappearance of coral reefs in seawaters. So, according to statistical data from the Indonesian Central of Statistics, the amount of national waste generation generation in 20 and 25 is estimated to reach 70.71.2 million tons per year. According to World Bank estimates, greenhouse gas emissions resulting from the removal of waste reach 1.6 billion tons of carbon dioxide emissions, which cause greenhouse gas effect in 20 and 16.5% of global emissions, and are predicted to continue to increase by 2.6 billion tons of carbon dioxide emissions by 2050. Next. So this is the discussion result. In the case above, it can be stated that the effect of greenhouse gas has a very bad impact on the surrounding environment because it causes air pollution. Therefore, we should use alternative energy made from natural ingredients to make it more environmentally friendly. Okay, and the last is solution about this concept. Solution is to use a waste power plant with incineration technology, which is done by burning the waste in a combustion chamber furnace. Then the heat from burning the waste is used to heat water, steam, and the steam is used to drive a steam turbine to produce electric power. Okay, next, moderator.
Okay, so the conclusion from our topic is Gomez processing technology has now developed rapidly with the government success in implementing B10 for biodiesel purpose, reducing air pollution, increasing energy security, and creating new jobs in the renewable energy sector. Nuclear energy can play an important role in the transition from fossil fuels to emission-free and clean energy. SMR can provide up to 300 MWh of carbon-free energy practically anywhere in the world without the need for long-distance electricity transmission. Well, ladies and gentlemen, any question?
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. I want to ask about does nuclear energy have benefits for life?
Okay,
Thank you.
next question.
I want to ask what impacts arise from the effects of nuclear energy. Thank you.
Okay, I will answer the question from Eva. The first, power plants, nuclear energy can be used to generate electricity that is safe and does no harm to environment. This can save fossil fuels and extend their service life. Two, for health, nuclear technology can be used for medical uses and therapy such as X-rays, CT scan, radiotherapy, and cancer treatment. And three, nuclear radiation can be used to trigger genetic mutation in spleen, resulting in varieties that are more resistant to disease, pests, or condition. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. This one.
Okay, next, I will answer the question from Ms. Fitria. So the question is impact of Okay, some of the impacts that arise due to greenhouse effect are change in the earth temperature are increasing, causing climate change in various regions in the world. And second, the thinning of the ozone layer in the atmosphere, which protects the earth from the dangers of ultraviolet radiation. And the third, massive crop failure due to drastic climate change and the melting of glaciers causing sea water levels to rise. And the last is disappearance of coral reefs in sea waters. Do you understand?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, thank you for attention. I'll give it to the MC next.
I think the presentation is enough from our group, and thank you for the listening and question. And the last we say, as the master of ceremony, take your leave. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.